Hi, welcome back to the channel. So, sorry, there's been a little bit of delay me doing videos. I got no real excuses other than I got a bit lazy. And also, I don't like to do videos if they've been covered by 1,000 other YouTubers. So, like a lot of you that are tuning in today, I'm also looking for the perfect earbuds to go with the S25 Ultra, this is being filmed on. This is the S23 Ultra. I've got the S24 Ultra over there. Anyway, so I looked at the reviews when these first came out. These are the Buds 4 Pro, and they got some amazing reviews saying better than this and better than the Bose Quiet Comfort 2, better than the AirPods, and so on and so on, especially for ANC. I'm coming from these, which are the Buds 3 Pro. Anyway, I'm not doing a full review. There's millions of those, but very disappointed, like a lot of real users, people that have not been paid. I'm not saying the others are paid, but the ANC on this is really marginally better than this. I've got to say, in most cases, not really noticeable, bit more comfortable, battery life. I'll talk about this a bit later on. But what I'm really talking about today is these are the Comply, these are the foam ear tips, and these are my Azla ear tips. Both of these I got when I did reviews for these. I put them on these earbuds, Azla, and let me tell you, they are interchangeable. So the good news is the Buds 3 Pro and the Buds 4 Pro take the same ear tips. Which ones are worth it, and are they worth it? There's no question that these are a little bit lighter, which makes them a bit more comfortable. I have large ears, and the fitting is the most important thing. If you've got a bad fit, they're not going to be brilliant anyway, and the fit's not good. I'm also finding when I'm out and about, and I like these for talking when I'm out, catch up with friends all over the world, etc., I get a lot of wind noise. I'm talking about in my ear, not my stomach. That's a separate conversation. And that was true with these as well as, but it seems even more apparent with these ones. So the ANC in my personal case on these is, as I've mentioned, not brilliant, but I do find these ones, the Comply, the foam ones, do cut out a lot more noise. In other words, they improve the ANC a lot more. They're comfortable, and you squeeze them. Just to show you, I bought a couple of these sets here. Oh, one fell out, I think. There we go. And you squeeze them, and they fit to your ear that way. These are the large ones. Excellent. So for ANC and comfort, these are great. They don't last as long as the Azla. They've got to be replaced every few months, but they are cheaper, and you can buy the one size once you know what size you want. The Azla ones, I find them to be definitely more comfortable, not more comfortable than those, but definitely more comfortable than the ones that came with this. And they're non-allergic, whatever stuff this is made out of. So they fit, for me, very emphasis, is they fit much better than these, which are still the original ones to show you. Now, I will take these off a minute to show you the difference in sizes. And this, do you remember that? I did a review when these first came out. A lot of people had this problem, and where the ear tip would literally break and peel away. Terrible. So let me just show you here. I'll take this one, and go be a bit careful. Oh, not easy. Actually, I've taken it off before with no issues. Oh, here you go. It just peels off. You heard that noise. Anyway, I'll put that there, and I'm going to show you the difference in size in a second, so you get an idea. That helps. This is the large one, as I mentioned. These are the large. Let me show you this one first. Comply. So this is the OEM, the Samsung one. And I'll lift that up a bit more. Oops, lazy. Put it on a lighter surface. the original, Comply, and Azla, all large size. They've all got the little grill to stop dirt and whatever going through, identical. And as you can see, they are the same size. They all fit the case, and they're interchangeable with the Buds 3 Pro. That's pretty much. Any questions, please let me know in the comments. Which one are you finding to be the best one? Are you happy or not happy with your Buds 4 Pro? The one thing I do like about these, but they work just as well on this, is the voice activation. You know, you could say louder, softer, next song. That's very good. And I do like the case better. It goes in easier. Disappointed with the battery life, I've got to say. Definitely in real life, I'm finding not much better than this, but you are going to lose battery on it. Comply came with this, by the way, a little cleaning brush. Other things, little tips, as we're talking here, tips. These kind of gadgets are quite useful to clean any, you've got to be very careful, any debris in the holes or in here. This gadget goes into these sort of things, the crevices and the holes, and here you get a little brush. You can get these from any of the Chinese or those kind of, those kind of resellers. You can get them on Amazon, very cheap. And I think I've covered. So overall, sum up, Azla, excellent for comfort. If you've got allergies from the original, these will stop the allergies. Definitely an improvement over these, for sure. ANC, would it improve ANC? I don't think so. I didn't find any difference over the original, but much more comfortable. These do improve ANC. Will you get a massive difference with the Comply? No, but the difference is noticeable for sure. So subscribe to the channel for more hints, tips. Hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, let me know. Let me know what you think about the new Buds 4 Pro. Was it worth it? Did you upgrade? Are you happy?